what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create this in Power BI. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first we're going to create the shape. I'm using Adobe Illustrator. Create new canvas, set the size, create. Okay, now we have the blank canvas here. So the first thing to do is we are creating the star shape. We're using rectangle tool, press and hold and change it into the star tool. Okay, press click, hold and drag to create the star. So to make it not moving around like this, you press shift button to make it stay, and to make sure that the star is in the good proportion. Okay, so you're done. Make sure that, okay, let me just remove the stroke here. This is where you disable the stroke and change the color to, let's say, yellow. Okay, make sure that everything is positioned perfectly. Okay, then once you're done, okay, I think it's hold on. Yeah, I think it's placed perfectly. Okay, next is to duplicate the shape, the star here. What we will do, what we're going to do is select the star using the selection tool and click and hold and press Alt and drag to the right. Okay, so if you want to make sure that they are in the same position, horizontally or vertically, you press Alt and Shift at the same time and drag it down and drag it to the left, to the right, sorry. Okay, and then release, and then you can repeat the same process just by pressing Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Okay, now we have a 5-star in the same horizontal position, and we're going to make sure that they are at the, okay, they are in a correct place. Okay, good. Yeah, everything is good now. And now we're going to group them by press Control G. Now they are stuck together, and I'm going to create another 5-star. Okay, now we're going to create the rectangle using rectangle tool. Make sure you change the tool to rectangle tool, and we are create this. Okay, make sure everything is the same height and width. Let's change the color just so we can easily see it. Okay, now we're going to send this shape here into the very back. We're using control, we're using control or this. Okay, we're going to control this or control this. But if you want to make it in the very back, you can use, hold on, shift plus control plus, okay, you can use this if you want to send it very, but when you use this you only move one by one layer. Okay, let me show you how. Okay, so we have stars, we change it into another color, let's say green. So right now green is at the back of the blue one. You want to make green is you want to send this after the yellow, which is before the green. So let's press control this. Okay, see, control this, see, now the blue one is in the middle. Okay, but if you want to make the shape is in the first or in the very first layer, you should also press shift and control at the same time, like this. Control shift, see, now it's in the very front. Okay, now because we're not going to use this the color here, I'm just going to remove it, but first maybe I'm going to, I don't need like this too much white space here. Maybe I only need just this part. Okay, and okay, now let's remove the fill. Okay, so hold on. First I'm going to mask the star. So how the masking works, let's say it's like a wall with a window. So let's say we want to create a wall, and then we will make some holes on the wall so that we can see everything through the wall. That's how the masking works. How we mask it, we first select the shape that you want to mask. Make sure the mask shape is at the top, and select all and press control 7. Okay, so everything is masking now. And the way it happened, it's like this. Let's say the star as the whole, and we set the value to 50, and it will look like this, but without the unnecessary part here. So the only thing that we can see is what's inside the stars, the star shape. So it will look like this, but without the rest of the unnecessary part of the rectangle. Okay, now let's mask it. Control 7, and put this one at the top of everything, very front, and we remove all of the fill, the color, because we're going to play with the color in the Power BI using code. That's why we will remove the color here. Okay, now we have everything. Now we are going to save it. Okay, name it star. Okay, and export it. File, export for screen, name it star, svg, export. Okay, now we have the svg file. I'm going to open it in Notepad and copy it, Control A, Control C to copy it. Open Visual Studio Code. So I'm using Visual Studio Code to format, to make the coding, the code like here is tidy. So we press Control A, right click, and then format document. See, it's very easy, it's saving time. Okay, once you fix the code, you make it tidy. Now we're going to remove the double quote and replace it with a single quote. Control A, Control F. See, this is double quote, replace with the single quote, and press this. See, everything turned into single quote. Okay, Control A, Control C. Now we are going to open our blank document and paste here. Hold on. Paste. Okay, now let's see if it's working. Okay, we haven't put color in it, that's why it's not up here. Okay, before we put some color, first we are going to create the variables for value, let's say 100%. Okay, this is another tip. when you want to duplicate the line, let's say you want to duplicate this line, okay, while your cursor at this line, you press Shift and Alt, and okay, this is what you click: Shift plus Alt plus down or up arrow. Okay, this is how it works. Shift Alt down arrow, or Shift Alt up arrow. You can see. Okay, there's another tip, is when you want to move the line, you can use press Alt and down or up arrow. See? Yeah, it makes everything easier. Okay, next color. Let's say set this to blue. Okay, and return. Okay, before we play with the code, I'm going to edit some of the code, remove unnecessary code. So I only need one of clip paths, one that contain 5 stars. So what I do is I remove this part here and here and this and this. Okay, so this is the opening tag, and is this the closing tag. Only have one, and I'm going to change the name to clip. Okay, next is I'm going to create a class. Okay, because we already remove the clip here. Okay, hold on, I don't need this also, so I will remove this as well. This is another tip. If you want to select same, let's say same word in Power BI, you can do like this. So select the thing that you want to manipulate. Let's say I want to change every class, I want to remove it. So what I do is I select the word, the letters, the word, and then I press Control D, press and hold Control and D key. See, Control D, D. Okay, let me repeat once again. Okay, I select the thing that you want to manipulate, and you press Control plus D. Okay, so as you can see, the cursor is duplicated. So now we have five cursor that we can move it around, so we can remove the code easily. Okay, Next, I want to change this class. So first, because we already delete this, we will delete this as well. And now we want to create a class. Okay, class, let's say star. Okay, and hold on. Let's say stroke. Um, no, stroke. Color blue. Blue. Okay. Hold on, let me see how they use stroke. Hold on, guys. Okay, it's not 2 pixel. It's color blue. Okay, let's change this to this class. Control D, delete star. Okay. Stroke blue. And next is we're going to use clip path here. Okay, we want to call this. So what we do is we use clip path here, in here. Okay, we don't need any class here, so just remove it and type clip path. Okay, and we need the URL. We use ID here, which is clip like here. We call this in here. Okay, so what this code will do is it will what I explained before, it will create like it will create the it will create the masking. Okay, it will create the masking like this, so it will hide the unnecessary part. Okay, best on 5-star. That's why I only need one clip pad, but inside of the clip pad contain 5 stars that will cut this or make hole on this rectangle. This is the rectangle code here. Okay, this is the rectangle code here. So yeah, now let's see the result. Something happened. Okay, now we can see the star, but we're going to change the, what is it, the rectangle into blue color. Okay, let's say fill color for the rectangle. Okay, fill color blue. Okay, let's see if it's working. Oh, it's not working. Oh, hold on, we need to call the fill class. Let's say fill. Okay, let's see. Still not working yet. Hold on. Fill blue color. Okay, let's play with this stroke. Stroke. Hold on. Okay, stroke. I need to stroke. Wait. Let's put 5. And fill. 9. Oh, hold on. See, it's working. Okay, now we are going to play with the bar. So here I'm going to put the value here. So translate of transform, translate x means horizontal, and we're going to use the value var value and percent. Okay, set this into 5. 50%, and here where, okay, style Oh no, not here. It's here. Style. Transform. Translate. Transform. Translate. Translate X. Say minus 100%. Oh, not here. Sorry. Sorry guys, I got confused. Here. Let's see if it's working. Okay, hold on. Okay, it's a minus. Transform, translate X. Hold on, let's see if it's working. 550, 50. Okay, let's play with this. Say 50%. Oh, it's working actually. It actually works. So what should we do? Hold on. Fill. Class fill. Color blue. Transform. Translate var value. Okay, let's just put it this way just to try. 50%. Okay, let's try. What if the class is in here? Create another group. Put the class here. Let's see if it's working. Yeah, finally guys. Okay, working now. So let's set this to the value. Hold on guys. Okay, what happened? Oh, percent. Okay, let's try 10%. Okay, let's try 100%. Okay, yeah, now we're done. It's worked perfectly. You can also add text if you want. Let's add text here. Oh, let's put it after the SVG. Text, let's value percent class text. Okay, text. Text align center. Font size, let's say 50, no, 30 pixel. Font let's see if it's working. Okay, text align center. Okay, 50% font weight, okay, let's try 50%. Okay, we can also add the slider, so it's actually pretty easy. So we click the modeling and new parameter, numeric range, change the maximum to 100 and this to 50. Okay, because we're gonna need a value from 0 to 100 because we're using percentage. That's why. Create. Okay, this is the slider, and we need to connect the value here to here. So we're going to edit it in the measure. This is the value. So parameter. Delete this. Let's see if it's working. Yeah, it's working. Good stuff. Okay, yeah, let me. Okay, I guess that's our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you have any questions, don't forget to put some comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.